Hello, everybody. Once again, flying my Phantom 4 Pro drone, shooting in 4K, and this time we're in Green River, Wyoming, a bit west of the town and south of the river. This video follows an eastbound train as it heads across a bridge over the Green River and into the rail yard within the city of Green River, Wyoming itself. The Union Pacific had originally created a town called Bryan, about a dozen miles west of Green River, and made that its local headquarters and division point. But a drought dried up the Black Forks River, and since they needed water for the steam trains, they had no choice but to pack up and move operations to Green River in 1872. Right around about that same time, the famous John Wesley Powell began his explorations of the Green and Colorado rivers and the Grand Canyon right here in Green River, Wyoming, beginning in 1869 and again in 1871, before the UP had moved back to Green River from Bryan. you can see as a train moves into the yard itself in the distance that would be looking towards the east. It fans out quite a bit as that's where they do the sorting. And to the left or north of the rail yard is the old town of Green River, where the town originally began. To the right side or south is where the newer development is. The Green River itself flows east through the city and then turns south before heading into the Flaming Gorge. I have another video I'll be uploading shortly of the train yard itself, including some sorting and switching actions. Should be within a few days. Throughout the video, I've kept the drone north and west of the bridge over the green, as the local airport, known as the Greater Green River Intergalactic Spaceport, no joke, has a no-fly zone that reaches just beyond the bridge, so I stayed clear of that. Okay, we're getting close to the end of the video, and I want to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please check for other videos in this series from Wyoming. Thanks for watching.